Okay, I'm gonna try to make this real quick. This is a 96 club car. We've taken the engine off, we put the engine back in, we replaced the carburetor with brand new carburetor, brand new filter, and it started up real quick and easy, nice, ran for a brief, maybe about 10 minutes worth of running, and then it started bogging right down. Took the carburetor off, saw that there was all kinds of junk in the float, cleaned it out, put it back in, replaced the fuel filter, put a new fuel filter on, ran it. It ran good for another 10 more minutes, then clogged right back up again. Wasn't sure what the problem was. Reached on down, pulled the bulb off, and to see more junk in the bulb, emptied it out, replaced the hoses, put all new hoses on it, and basically put the bulb back in, and it still was bogging down. So I pulled the carburetor now completely off, and this is what came out of it. That's bits and pieces of the old hose, and it doesn't look like much, but if you look at where the needle goes, right into there, the needle goes right into there, it's easy for that to get lodged in there. Basically, I've taken like a gun cleaner, or you can take gun cleaner or carburetor cleaning, shot it into there and backfed it, and it came out of the intake, and that's what shot out. So it was definitely clogged up from the old hose. Folks, if you are using ethanol in your gas, this is what will happen. Use ethanol free. If you can't find any place that sells ethanol free gas at the gas station, then go ahead and go to your local small engine shop, and they should be able to sell you a 5-gallon can of ethanol free gas. It is much more expensive than regular gas, but at least you won't be dealing with this.